Hello everyone, my name is Heather and this channel is Heather Travels, where we cover every aspect of the travel experience. If travel is something you're interested in, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, today I am staying at the Hilton Minneapolis. Now this is the Hilton Hotel that is right downtown Minneapolis. It's on Marquette Street. And it's right across from Minnesota Orchestra Hall, which is where we are going to a concert tonight. This is a very large, full-service property. It also looks like it's been renovated fairly recently. It's very nice. It's quite busy downstairs because the concert's going on tonight, but I will try to get some footage of the lobby and the public areas when I get a chance. We were upgraded. I have 2 rooms because my daughter Megan is actually staying here with us tonight, and I'm also a little bit sick. I have a cold. COVID was negative, strep test was negative, but I seem to have had cold this whole week since we got back from Disney World right after Thanksgiving, and so I wanted the kids to have their own room because I didn't want to take a chance of my daughter getting sick because she is the one that's performing in the concert. So we have 2 rooms right next to each other. We're on the 22nd floor. We have room 2212 and 2214. I was upgraded in both rooms because of my high status with Hilton. We are gold currently, but we are this much away from diamond. And basically they gave us a higher room with a better view, which I'll show you in a minute. And we also got a $15 per person food credit with the restaurant and everything downstairs, so that's nice. There is underground parking here at the hotel. It's a multi-level underground parking ramp, and we parked down there, and I paid for the park and stay. I think I paid about, with taxes and everything, I think it was like $185 for the room with the park and stay, and then it was a little bit less for the other room because I only have 1 car, obviously. One room is for 2 nights, and the other room is only for 1 night, so it's complicated. I can't remember exactly. I think in total I'm probably paying about $500–600. Okay, but let me show you around this room. Okay, so first of all, this is the hallway. The elevators are right there, so we're pretty close to the elevators. Nice new carpets, very quiet. We have these 2 rooms, this one here and this one here. This is 2214, and we also have 2212. Ben is over there right now. And they're identical to each other, just mirror reverse. So they're 2212 is the same as this one, just flipped. Okay, so when you come in, I mean, very nice, nicely appointed room. Looks really new. Here's the bathroom. Nice big counter. Nice lighted mirror with the light to the outside. There is a magnifying makeup mirror over here. We have tissues and a soap dish, and they gave us just an abundance of Crabtree and Evelyn bath products. 2 conditioners, 2 body lotions, 2 shampoos, facial soap and bath soap. Some modern artwork. Shub tower combo with a curved shower rod. But it's fairly spacious in here. I mean, you can get the door all the way open. You still have plenty of room between there and the toilet. I don't know what is with Hilton and these super skinny garbage cans, though. I just think those are weird. But anyway. And there is also a couple of drawers in the bathroom, and this one has the hairdryer in it. Okay, and then over here we have a nice closet with mirrored doors. And inside here, the luggage rack was in here, which I took out. That's my coat. There's an iron and an ironing board, and there's a laundry bag, a shelf on top. And then here's the room. And the luggage rack is really short. But I do have my suitcase on top of there. Okay, one disadvantage to this hotel though, these are double beds. They're only full size, not queens. So if you have like 4 people staying together, that could be tight. That's why we got 2 rooms. Because Megan and I, we can manage with a queen, but we don't want to share a full-size bed. So just know these are double beds. They do also have some rooms here that have king beds in them, but it'd just be a single king bed. Some artwork over there. We have a nice fancy lamp with, there's 2 sides so you can turn on, and there's a plug there. There's an alarm clock. There's a phone. There's a drawer in the middle. Nice big thick mattresses. And then over here, there's this big cabinet with the TV on top. And this is drawers. This is also, oh, nope, this is a safe. And now I don't know how to shut that. Oh, there we go. It's kind of does it by itself. That's interesting. Ice bucket and glasses. A fridge down here, mini fridge. Coffee stuff and a shelf. And then there is a separate desk with a nice big desk chair and a desk lamp and a mirror over it. And then there's a nice armchair over here with an accent pillow and a little table and a reading lamp, which I really appreciate. I like that. And then let me show you the view. It's Christmas time right now. And you can see it's been snowing. There's a very nice apartment building across the way. Just give you a little look at downtown Minneapolis. That's WCCO, the news headquarters over there with the screen up on top. So there you go. And I will try to put in some footage here at the end of the public spaces as I get the chance. But that's what the room is like here at the Hilton Minneapolis. If you enjoyed this room tour, please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos on this channel. Have a great day, everyone, and safe travels. I know. Maybe the ice machine around the corner. Oh, but he said to go to 2 to get the skyway. It's a very fast elevator. Jeez, my ears popped.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
3,000 bears on that. Not 2,000 bears.
Let's get the Bobby. Aha.